Hello kids, welcome to Fairy Tale Drawing. Hey there, budding artists. Today, we're going to draw something bouncing and exciting, a basketball. Are you ready? Great! Start by drawing a big, round circle in the center of your paper. This circle will be the basketball, and draw one small circle inside the ball. A basketball has a unique texture with lines on its surface. Let's add some curved lines all around the ball. These lines give it that bouncy look. Let's add some color in ball. First we will fill red color. Second is orange color. Third is yellow color. Fourth is purple color. Fifth is green color. Sixth is dark blue color. And last is light blue color. Look kids, we have completed our drawing very easy and quickly. Do you like today's drawing? Do more practice and learn new things with me. See you in the next video. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.